Everyone, nandito na tayo sa sakyan. Ready na tayo sa ating road trip ngayon.
It's autumn talaga.
Yeah, autumn na talaga. Look at that. It's brown, golden brown already, the some of the leaves. Ay, Mama Mary of Tony. Have a blessed start of September.
Oh, first day.
So how many hours? It's gonna be 3 to 4 hours? 4 to 5 hours?
No, 4.
4, okay.
But we will stop on time.
Yeah.
So
4 to 5 hours kasi mag-stop kami to pipi, etc. Over ako, nandito na tayo sa Alsace, France. Ito yung first stop natin na bisitahin natin bago kami pupunta sa hotel. Nakatulog kasi ako ng mga 1 oras, kaya ito, paggising ko na sa Alsace na kami. Dahil nag-take ako ng ng pang car motion sickness. Nagano ako ng para hindi ako Look at all the houses here. Old stuff.
Hindi ako mahilo. Pero ang i-fix sa akin is makakatulog talaga ako.
Wow.
Ito na tayo, nandito na tayo sa Alsace, pero ito yung bibisitahin na to yung isa sa mga castle dito na nasa tuktok ng bundok. Makikita natin ngayon paglabas natin itong maliit na
Look at the villages here. It's a totally old house.
ganda na, tingnan nyo naman.
Oh, so cute.
Every second house it's a winemaker.
Yeah.
So, let's go now.
Hello everyone, welcome to us here in the province of Alsace. So, in our first stop to visit that one. Yan, ang unahin natin visit na castle. Akyat tayo doon sa ibabaw. Let's go! This is Alsace. It's a barangay, but we are surrounding of grapes. Look. It's the province of grapes.
Nice, totally.
Look at the grapes. Oh. Tayo sa parking lot kung saan yung castle nakita dito sa baba. What's the name of the castle?
Haut, koenigsbourg. Haut, koenigsbourg.
Koenigsbourg. Ah, okay. Ito na tayo, tingnan nyo. Oh. Wala pa tayo, ayan yung castle na under renovation this side. Tingnan nyo.
We are lucky with the weather. No?
Yo! Wow! Nandito na tayo. And this part is so beautiful.
Nice, right?
Ano, ganda niya.
Stay here.
Bakit na tayo? Entry.
entrance. Big, no?
Ah, so big. It was for the king.
Thought.
It's a crazy province.
Okay. Where's ticket?
Control of the bag. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Oh, look.
Oh.
Is this the castle? The look of the castle. You're now inside the castle already. Look. Village. Bili mo tayong ticket. Umpisa na tayo sa pagbisita. Ito yung pinaka-entrance dito sa castle. Umpisahan na ang pag-akyat. Up, up, up.
Boss.
Look, there's a little bridge for the Port de Lion.
Ah oui.
The door of the lion. Oh, it's all stone. Mga bato. Ito na build ba stone before. But ngayon, renovate na nga na siya. So, ginaya na lang. Para lang magstay.
Ah, really?
Ah.
Oh là là.
Oh, it's so deep.
So deep the way.
Oh my gosh.
Comment il y a des collections, bon, c'est des structures utilisées. C'est la défense.
Oh, so cute.
Oh, oh this is also...
It's a way?
No, I don't know, maybe. Look at this, is a wine oven, no? Barrel of wine. So 8,000 liters ang laman nito. Nandito na tayo sa taas. Aakyat pa tayo. Yan yung mga drawing ng ano nila, hallway. And this is the second room of the queen. Look.
La plupart d'entre nous ne le savent pas. Peut-être que j'ai pas demandé de collègues, mais voilà. Le remplacement est étrange, mais la signification, c'est celle-ci. C'est qu'on rend hommage à cette grande ville. Il suffit de changer quelques couches. Et vraiment, je ne mens pas, quand je dis 1 heure, c'est la chapelle exactement.
Look at that. Garden of the castle. Ayan tayo sa other side of castle. Yeah.
Yeah, well, it is. I'm not sure. It's back and forth. That up and down.
See the other side of the castle. It's raining.
Oh, it's sleep good tonight. It's nice castle to visit, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we're outside.
Oh, yeah.
It's not raining yet.
No?
Tapos na yung visit natin dito sa castle. Tingnan. Dito. Tayo, ayan siya. So, tapos na yung bisita din. Swerte namin. Pagkatapos nating nabisita, umulan na. This, ang ganda sa ibabaw. Hindi tayo nabutan ng ulan doon. So, ngayon, napauwi na kami. Umulan na talaga. Tingnan nyo. Kita niyo yung drop. Ang ulan. Bye-bye, castle. Bye-bye. It's raining na. My cellphone's wet. See you in the next stop of our visit of Alsace province. Basa na kami. Hi! Lumusot talaga kami sa ulan. Raining na talaga. Tayo, we are down from the castle. Tingnan niyo yung castle, maulan. Hindi malakas yung ulan dito sa baba. Tingnan niyo yung castle.